Good morning, everybody, and it is a beautiful morning today. Chad and William are up at the high school playing tennis. We like to call him Will when he's here, just so we don't get confused. But I'm going to sneak up there and see if I can't get a few clips of them playing tennis, and hopefully they'll be on game. I found you!
Look, I didn't hit it! I didn't hit it! Okay. Yeah, you missed it. Okay. That point.
That was fun. Chad did pretty good playing tennis, and we'll continue to work on that. And
What does that mean?
Well, he's not as good as the old man.
Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Does he know what he's doing?
Yeah, we're picking peaches. We're ready to bottle them. This afternoon we're going to bottle all these peaches. Now, gave him a quick 2-minute lesson, and he's doing good. What's cooking?
Waffles.
Waffles?
Yes. I'm cooking waffles.
Gosh. I'm spending the night cooking waffles. I'm using Grandma's famous butter syrup.
When you throw those out, Chad, try to throw them across the sidewalk and not straight down.
Yep.
Yep. Chad, do you remember the first time you did that for me?
Yes. I was very nervous.
Are you nervous now?
Nope. Fun.
Okay. So from up here, this is what I'm doing, is I'm putting a screen in the gutter. This part here doesn't have it. From there on down, I've got this screen, and that's gonna keep all the needles and dust, well, I don't know about dust, but all the gravel and leaves that gather up on the roof. And when it rains, instead of filling the gutter, the water will go through the screen and the debris will come off the edge. That's what we're hoping to do.
Chad, can you come back and help me wash windows? Will.
Yes. Only if you get Russell to do it too.
Okay, it's about his turn. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yes.
Start him young.
Can you reach it?
Okay, here we go. I'm going to throw it to you, Chad.
Okay. My depth perception is going too.
Okay. Whoop! Okay, hang on. I'm throwing with my left hand.
watch it.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's hard to do it with my left hand.
Okay.
Okay. Go to Grandpa.
Yeah. Go on the roof.
Yeah.
Roll down.
Oh, that's bad.
There you go. Well, now you gotta go rinse it off. Okay. Okay, walk down the steps a little bit. Okay. Now go up and put it in.
The second one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. Oi.
You're pooped.
I am, but we're almost done. We're about another half hour maybe.
I was sweeping and I heard him lifting that up and like, he's like, oh! I'm like, oh, Grandpa, let me help.
He's hearing me grunting. Oi, oi, oi.
The dog's barking at you.
Yeah. The dog's making fun of me.
That's funny. I think Will has had a good time helping Grandpa here today. They've worked really hard, but Will's been able to do a few things that he doesn't normally get to do at home, and Grandpa's teaching him how to use big boy toys.
Yeah, ladders, washing,
Yeah.
four-wheeler.
Oh. So first we work and then we play?
Yep.
So is this work or play?
This is play. Go get a shake, and I might bring you back what's left over.
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Henry was a good boy.
He's able to move up. What's he
Okay,
doing?
we watching for Kate.
Are you upright?
Kind of.
Did you fall down? I can't see you.
Hey, Henry, who's this?
Up, down.
Henry,
Henry, is
who's this?
that your cousin? What's your cousin's name?
Never mind.
Oh, Henry boy.
Nice job, Kate.
Good job, Kate. You were great.
Did you have fun, Kate?
These ones are yours.
There you go.
How do you hold this? Good job, Kate. Thanks, Zoe. Good. Good job, Zoe.
Oh, it's good seeing you guys.
Get in trouble.
Oh,
Next cruise, tell us. We'll go with
oh yeah. We need to.
you. Where do you guys want to go next time?
I would love.
Okay, sit up on one foot. Sit up on one foot. Yeah, like that.